Hello, welcome back to my channel. And here I am with my dear friend, my furry girlfriend Luna. When the weather starts to be cold, she keeps me company more and more. And here I'm working on some gifts. I do make gifts year round, but when the season of gifting is approaching, I usually tend to make more. And I'm here making something for a friend, so I can't tell you. And Luna was attacking my knitting, but of course when I started recording her, she just started being adorable. So I found these super quick crochet face scrubbies, and I will be making them, as well as these also crochet woodland mitts. All the patterns I talk about are in the description box. And then I found these are birds, bookmark birds actually. Isn't it lovely? It looks like a bunch of birds in your bookcase. I think I will be making this very soon. And here is Luna. Again, if it fits, I sit is her motto usually. And when we are laying down, she's also there. And then finally I saw the sun again. Well, sort of. Dutch skies I call these. And I did make it. I did make the bookmark bird. Isn't it lovely? Have a creative week and I'll see you next time. Bye!